Movement. This is a word whose definition is not as simple as we think. Movement comes from the word moving, and moving comes from the word motion, which has been defined as the action or process of moving or being moved. That to and fro is like an endless circle which leads you nowhere. Sometimes we may think that moving is just a word to describe someone who goes to live somewhere else. But that's just a little part of it. Since we're conceived, we start moving. Even our own existence comes from moving. We are constantly moving from one place to another. It's part of our interpretation of the world. It defines who we are and how we are. The way we move, we walk, our steps, our posture, defines where we can go and how far we can go. But why do we move? Are we looking for something? Does life have a purpose? Is it ever enough? We move even if we are not conscious about it. Movement is part of the definition of being alive, and we give it for granted. So I suggest we start to make movement a conscious act and start defining ourselves by our movements. Being conscious about our capacity of movement will make us understand the value of such small things that life gives us. I believe that the path that will lead us to happiness is where we make conscious acts and seek discomfort, because movement comes from being alive.